Hi, I'm Heidi Sundin from the Workplace Gender Equality Agency, and today I'm here with Neil Cockcroft, Diversity Consultant, to talk about the new WGA toolkit helping organisations build a gender equality strategy. So Neil, can you tell me about why it's important for an organisation to build a gender equality strategy?
Sure, thanks Heidi. Sometimes the gender equality strategy is the missing piece in an organisation's approach to gender equality and making progress. It provides the sense of direction and the clarity of what needs to change that organisations need to work to. It provides the agenda in a very specific way. What we currently have is often a situation where there are lots of programs and initiatives, but they're not connected to each other by an overarching strategy. The strategy creates synergy, economies of scale, and it helps organisations mobilise people around that common purpose and that common strategic goal or several goals.
Neil, can you tell us about the typical steps involved in building a gender equality strategy?
You look, I think, at the high level, it's really about understanding where you are now in the journey, then identifying where it is you want to get to, because then you can identify how do you get there. And the toolkit is really designed to create that understanding of what it is you need to do to get to your desired end state.
And the agency is now launching a toolkit on how to build a gender equality strategy. How does the toolkit help organisations move through the gender equality journey?
Well, I think the first thing to say is that it's a very comprehensive and very practical toolkit. At least that's what we hope. That's the aim, certainly. And it's really designed as a resource to help those organisations who either don't have a gender strategy or those that do, but it really kind of needs reinforcing. It provides them with a sort of set of resources which can really help them create that strategy and that strategic direction very quickly and easily.
And what are the main components of the toolkit?
There are several key components. I think the first one is the gender equality roadmap which we've created, and that provides some structure around the journey that we often refer to in terms of where we are now, where we want to get to, and gives that some quite distinct phases. We found that organisations can very quickly identify where they are on that journey and therefore what they need to do differently in order to make faster progress, one part of which is creating that strategy. We then have a diagnostic tool which allows organisations to assess where, in more detail, in a granular level, what pieces of the strategic jigsaw are missing and what they need to focus on and set as kind of goals for improvement. And then the final part is really around how you implement change, how you achieve change and how you make that stick, make it sustainable, and then measure success and progress.